So if you've arrived at this video, I'm guessing you're looking to find out how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. And there's actually quite a few things you can try. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open it up in your browser. And then what you need to do then is you need to start refreshing as many times as you can until you see the login screen. It's going to might take a few tries. It may work, it might not work, but if it doesn't, I've got a few other things I can show you. And what you'll do is you'll keep refreshing until you come to this login screen. And if you come to this login screen, you know that this is actually working. So what you need to do is click on the login button and just log in how you normally do. I normally log in with Google, and there you go, all logged in. Now, if that doesn't work, what you can also do is you can either clear your cookies using Chrome, or you can clear your cookies by downloading a piece of software. And the software that I use is called CCleaner. And don't worry, it's completely and totally free. It's a downloadable piece of software that you can basically clean up a lot of things that are on your computer, including your cookies on your browser. So all you need to do is just go over to this website, click on free download the actual piece of software, and I'll show you just very quickly how to clear the cookies on your computer. And it's really simple. It's going to look like this. You've got quite a few options on the left hand side here. What you're interested in is the custom clean, and you can see the different browsers just here. So you've got Microsoft Edge, Edge Chromium, Internet Explorer, and if you click on applications, you've got Firefox, Google Chrome. So all you need to do is you need to just tick the ones that you want to clear. So if you're using Firefox, you use Internet Cache, or you'll tick Internet Cache, Internet History and Cookies, and the same with Chrome as well. Click on Run Cleaner, and what it does, it will remove all the cookies, it will clear your cache, and it will clear your history as well. Now, if that doesn't work, there is something else we can try. Now, the next thing we can try is disabling your Chrome extensions. And to do that, all you need to do is go to the little icon here, which is like a little puzzle piece. Click on there and just take off every single extension and then try to log back in again. So if you manage to get logged in, all you need to do is turn these back on. But this is just one more thing you can try. The next thing you can try is actually simply just using another browser. So you've either got Firefox, you've got Internet Explorer, you've got Safari. There's quite a few different browsers you can use to log into ChatGPT. Now, the next thing you can try is setting up a second or even third Gmail account. Now, I'm going to offer a word of caution here. I don't know whether this is against ChatGPT's or OpenAI's terms and conditions by doing this, but getting another Gmail account set up means you can open up another ChatGPT account. The only thing I will say though is you'd be using the 3.5, which would be the free version, this one here, if you're actually struggling to get logged into ChatGPT. And while we're on this screen, another thing you can try is actually becoming a premium member. So if you go to my plan here, you can see that I'm on the Plus plan. And if you're a Plus user, so you're paying $20 a month, it means you get priority when it comes to being able to get access to ChatGPT. So the free one is 3.5, or you can use 4 if you are a premium member. But if you're struggling to get on to ChatGPT as a free member, it is literally just going to my plan and then just paying a subscription, which is $20 a month, and you can become a Plus member. Now, that's not saying that you'll always be able to log in, but there's more chance of you getting logged in by doing this than being a free member. And last but not least, you've got Microsoft Bing. And you may or may not know this, but if you log into Microsoft, you can actually use their chat, which is very, very similar to ChatGPT, but there are a few things that are different. But if you're struggling to log into ChatGPT or the free version, you can always use Bing. Now, if you manage to get any of these working, I'd really appreciate it if you pop back and just leave a comment. And if you actually use ChatGPT to write your articles, you may be interested in this next video, which shows you how to get ahead of other ChatGPT articles. My name's Des, and I'm wishing you all the best.